guys, Eric with Cork and Steel here. Today I want to talk to you about the communicating relay module. This module is used in conjunction with the ion stat and a communicating piece of indoor equipment when you need to hook up certain applications of non-communicating outdoor equipment. For example, if you have an indoor communicating gas furnace and you want to run a two-stage air conditioner or do a dual fuel application with a heat pump, you'll need this module. If you have the fan coil, communicating fan coil, and you want to run anything two-stage, whether it's an air conditioning or a heat pump, you'll need to use this module for that. At the end of this video, we'll go ahead and post a chart that has that listed out for you for when you'll need this and when you won't. Okay, on the control module, you've got different terminals in here. On this side here, you have your A, B, C, and D terminal. Those will be the standard 4 communication terminals that come from the ion stat or the indoor piece of equipment. Your A is going to be your DX plus, your B is going to be your DX minus, your C is for common, and the D is going to be the R. Over here on this side, you'll have just your standard 24-volt terminals that you use to hook up any kind of non-communicating piece of equipment. And this terminal block up here is used if you have any kind of ventilation, an ERV or an HRV. Also on this control, you're going to have 2 LED lights. You've got your green and your amber. Your amber is a status light and your green is a communication light. When they're both on and lit solid, that just lets you know that everything is normal. If there is some kind of a fault, you will get a code flashed on your amber LED light. A few things worth mentioning when you are using this as a dual fuel application. So if you have a gas furnace and you want to run a heat pump outside, on your gas furnace board, I have one right here. You've got a terminal block here. This is marked OAT, and this is for your outdoor air temperature sensor, which is just a standard 10K ohm sensor. You'll need that for proper operation of your dual fuel, so it knows when to lock out the gas or the heat pump stage of it. And another thing worth mentioning, you don't need the relay module if you are going to use a communicating piece of indoor equipment, such as a gas furnace with a single stage air conditioner. At that point, you would just wire from your standard terminal strips. One thing to note is you don't come from your Y1 when you're wiring up your air conditioner. You want to go to your Y2 terminal and go outside. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful and thank you for watching.